I wanted to do a quick video because I find this disturbing and I find it something that needs to be shared. As you all know, stuff that's been going on in the world about the sex trafficking in kids and things that are thrown in our kids' faces to kind of groom them and make them kind of a little bit more oblivious to things that are really happening. So it was my daughter's birthday a couple days ago, and she turned 2, and she was given this gift. It's like a little poppy doll. It's adorable. And here's the box. So she had a poppy birthday, and so they gave her this. It's just from the new movie, The Trolls World Tour. On the box, it says Giggle and Sing Poppy. On the back, it says that if you push her tummy right here, sorry, it's glaring. If you push her tummy right here, she makes 10 phrases and sounds, and that's all it talks about, and it comes with a little comb. So, I mean, she does all that. You touch her tummy, and she makes little singing sounds, and she's super cute. Well, I was showing her to my husband, and I heard some other sounds that I had never heard before. And if you look down here, I figured a video was the best way. So I just touched her tummy, and she's going to sing for a minute. But down here is a button right here on her privates. And if you push those, she makes these sounds. Like a gasping sound. And I know some of you may not think this is a big deal, but especially since I've had kids, this is wrong. For one, this button, it says nothing about this button on the box. Nothing. It's just there. And it makes a gasping sound when you touch her privates. And to me, it's just like sexual sounds, and it's so disturbing. And I got online to see if there had been kind of any complaints. You cannot find this doll on the Walmart website where the people got her. You cannot find this doll on their website anywhere. We even scanned the code. This doll doesn't pull up at all. I just think it's weird. And, there's some things where I thought maybe, not that you're naive to the stuff that's going on, but maybe it's never happened to you. And you're like, really? Are they really grooming our kids? Sorry. I think they are. Because you touch privates and she makes inappropriate sounds. Why? Why does a little girl need that? She doesn't. And it actually, as a parent, makes me quite mad.